All right, good morning, everybody. Oh, we gotta get over that. Whoa. Jeez, get over yourself. So, it's just about to start raining, and this is upstream or up creek. So, let's go down it and check it out. Got some random stuff there. I don't know how that got there, but there's the enemy. So we'll get that out of there. Keeping our river clean. Gatorade. Who drinks diet? Oh, it's a little deep there. But we're cleaning up some trash. And with that being said, we're going to get downstream. Yep. That's a big old rock. Oh, look at that little pool. That's a little deep for Kenny. I'm not fixing to get that wet. Not today, Junior. But that's a big rock. What's a big old rock? All right. And up. There we go. What's that over there? We gotta investigate. Step there to there. All right. How'd you know? How'd you know? Well, Hall, you're a champion. Like and subscribe. We found a soccer ball. All right. Dale like, compartir, suscribirse. Ciao.